coconut chicken is en route. Manla Ikram and A.dots. What's going on, bro? Cooking the egg fried rice. Here we have the egg fried rice, a bit of onions, peppers, peas, 2 scrambled eggs, some soy sauce, lovely jubbly. Coconut chicken, and there's no coconut chicken without coconut milk. 1 spoon of this, which is ginger paste, that's gone along with the garlic, with some red onions and butter, and we're on course for our coconut chicken. Good so far?
Yeah.
A bit of curry powder, a bit of tomato paste, a bit of salt, and that's getting mixed in. Put a little bit of pepper. Now we got about 13 oz of coconut milk. That's what it's looking like now. Gonna add some water, and it's definitely on its way. Now we're gonna add this chicken in. We're gonna stir it for about 6 to 8 minutes, and hopefully it's gonna taste very nice. Thank you, Amara. They've been washed. Put those in here. And get lime. And squeeze some lime juice into there.